Hello friends, welcome again in Shubham's cookbook and DIY, and today in this video I'm going to share with you that how you can store mint leaves for as long as a year. So let's get started, and if you find this video to be helpful, then please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So today I'll be showing you 3 ways of storing a mint for long. So step number 1, clean these leaves and take out if any black leaves or rotten leaves or extra stem. Take that all out. It will increase the shelf life of the mint leaf or any other leafy vegetable. To clean extra stems or leaves, you can use kitchen scissors. It will make your work more easier. After separating all the extra or rotten leaves or stems from these mint leaves, wash it under cold running tap water very gently once or twice so that no dirt or soil should be there inside or any kind of insects. After that, place these mint leaves on a clean kitchen towel and leave it for 10 minutes so that all the extra water or moisture will dry. Friends, cleaning mint leaves the way I am showing you before storing it for long is very important. Otherwise, mint leaves will not stay fresh for longer. So now these mint leaves are properly cleaned. Now method number 1. Place a kitchen towel or tissue paper in a box. Then place these mint leaves. Then again line up another tissue paper. Then again rest of the mint leaves. If you store mint leaves in this way, you can enjoy the freshness of mint leaves up to 1.5 months or 6 weeks. Place another kitchen towel or tissue paper onto the top and close it tightly and keep it in refrigerator. Now I'm going to show you another 2 methods by which you can store and keep fresh these mint leaves for almost a year. Method number 2, grind these mint leaves into a paste and store it in deep freeze. For that, place these mint leaves paste in the silicone ice tray or simply onto a steel tray. Divide in small portions and refrigerate it. Once it becomes ice, just remove it and store in any Ziploc bag, and this will not take much of the space inside the deep freeze. And you can also keep in the small boxes if you are storing it in smaller quantity. And now method number 3, just fold these mint leaves and place these leaves into the silicone ice tray and add half teaspoon of water in each cubes so that it will become an ice and you can store it for longer. And once it become ice, you can again take it out and store in the Ziploc bag or any small boxes. I'm going to keep this lid onto the top so that it's set properly. After a couple of hours, you will see that it's already set, and now it's time to take it out and store it in small boxes or Ziploc bags. You can take it out very easily by flipping it and just press with your thumb and the cubes will come out. So store it when mint leaves are really cheap in the market, and use when this is out of market or this is really costly, and save your money. I'm going to store it in these small boxes as these are very less in quantity. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If so, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such videos.